dear friends. Today I made an awesome rocket called F15. Front, back, side, bottom, top. Okay. So today how we are going to make F15. First take a color paper or a white paper like this. Fold it nice and stiff to the edge to edge. Okay. Then open it back and fold the sides to the middle line. The middle line. The other side also too. Stiff your nail into that. Okay. Next do a kind of a nail like this, but little longer. Correctly to the line, but little longer. Then fold it up like this, like a house, but little gap, same as. Make sure be correct to the line. Then again remove and keep only the top edge like this. Then again do the same folding like this. Like this. Then open it back and do the other side. Again open the other side. Then do the back step what you did like this. Open up like this. And do this side is then on this side. Move a little back and make it flat. Same the other side. Make okay. Now from one side, if you open the one little paper, be like this now. Then keep the same, but the paper out. Fold it to this side and again keep back side and like this. Same the other way. So it made like this now. Same, fold it like this. Like this. Then slowly fold it like this. Like this. Then fold it like this. Make it stiff. Same do the other way. Okay. Like this. Then do you see this points? Fold them all the way into the line. Look. From the edge to fold it like this. Okay, same the other side. Then fold it like this into half like this. Again from here fold the half only into like this. Then only left at least the half. fold it like this from here to here. From here. Then fold it into like this. Same the other side. Okay. So then you could see the point. So you could see the point now. Point. The point of the plane. So fold it that in some. Fold it that. Make sure don't go all the way to here. All the way to the end. Over here. Don't. Make it same like the other side. Okay, you got now. Then take a scale if you're expert, or take a scissor. Take a scale or scissor. Then cut it slowly, little only at least, not whole. Then fold it and come up. Same do the other side. Then you make. Then you could do freely like this. The sides, what I told. All the way you make F15. So stay curious like this. All the way you make the F15. So be curious and keep exploring. Bye bye.